Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I will be cleaning my kitchen. Today's video is a cleaning challenge hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6. A lot of other wonderful YouTube creators have also participated in this collaboration. The playlist will be located in my description box. So before I start cleaning, I just kind of wanted to show you what we're going to have for dinner tonight. This is our crock pot chicken, and we're going to have some green beans and corn with that, and then I'll be cleaning it up afterwards. This is how our dinner turned out. Now I'm just going to put on some music and clean up the kitchen.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing.
Recently, I started using glass bottles to keep all of our soaps in, so I am just refilling the soap bottle.
Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
To clean my countertops, I am using the Caldrea Sea Salt scent. It is one of my absolute favorites.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
In order to stay strong, something has to change. In order to move on, something's gotta give. You hurt the ones you love the most. What kind of thing to say? What kind of game to play? If love is what you fear the most, then you're in trouble. Yes, you're in trouble. 'Cause you don't know what you're doing to me. You should have made it clear a long, long time ago. You're out of luck and now it's plain to see. It's not that I don't love you anymore, but I can't love you like before.
When I'm cleaning in my kitchen, I like to light a candle. This is a Miss Myers scent candle. Do you like to light candles as well?
But something changed and so did we. Now I can't set aside, I can't just be and let me. Oh no, no, no. You're out of luck and now it's plain to see. It's not that I don't love you anymore. I can't love you like before. No, no, no. I should have made it clear a long, long time ago. You're out of luck and now it's plain to see. It's plain to see. It's not that I don't love you anymore. I can't love you like before.
I decided to put these beautiful fresh roses on the table so that we could enjoy those, and then I just did some quick vacuuming up to finish the kitchen.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember to check out the playlist in my description box below. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.